What's going on? Bearded Josh here and Lilu. Today we're going to be doing a review on a beard company that you can kind of say that they're badass. Give me 1 minute. Sorry about that. I kind of misplaced it, but I got it. Got it right here. So I reached out to the good people at Badass Beard Care and I said, hey, I'd like to do a review on some of your product. They said, sure. They sent me a trial kit of what you would receive in the mail if you were to get their sample pack. All you have to do is just pay for shipping, and then they just ship you a specific scent. So before we dive down and take a look exactly what's in the contents of what you receive in the mail, I just wanted to say real quick, this company, the reason why I'm super excited is that it's veteran owned by him and his family, and that's something that I could really get behind and support. After I show you everything in the contents in the bag, we're going to come right back up. I'm going to tell you my thoughts on everything from the process from A to B, and then let you know exactly if you should be spending your money on this or not. Let's do it. All right, so this is what it's going to look like when you get it in the mail. Obviously it's going to be sealed, but I've been using this the last 4 days or so. So we got the Badass Beard Care, their logo there. You got their social media. Alright, let's see, it's got their email address. On the flip side, it says Tame Your Man Maine. Alright. Where it comes from. They're located in California. Obviously I covered up my address because you guys don't need to know where I live. So let's take a look here. It comes in the packaging. So we'll just dump all this out. Alright. And like I said before, this is going to be exactly how you get one of these sample packs. Let's put that right there. First and foremost, you got a loyalty reward card. Basically what that's doing is telling you to sign up. You can get a little bit of kickback if somebody uses a specific code. And then right there, you got all the scents. In this one particularly, it's the Ladies Man, which is a lemon and vanilla. Personally, it smells like lemon pie, or actually more like lemon bars. And lemon bars are delicious. So I'll throw those right there. Next, say, welcome to the Beardass family. Thank you for your support. We pride ourselves in our quality to our products and our customer service. Is there anything we can do to improve your experience? Let us know. And then their contact information, social media up on top, their email address. And then this is kind of what's really super cool about this. So they give you instructions how to use them. And I know in my experience, a lot of the time when I first started, I didn't know how to apply anything. I didn't know how to do much of anything with any product. So this is definitely super helpful when it comes to that. It goes down to washing, applying the oil, applying the beard balms or waxes, and then a brush or comb. So definitely give you some recommendations on that. This is super, super cool. It's awesome that they included something like this. Alright, we got a cool little stickers here. I'll turn that around. Get the donkey and then the Soaky the bear. This one's my favorite by far. The stickers are nice in quality. They're not super cheap. This one feels more like a wax. This one's more gloss, as you can tell. Super, super cool. Now for the good part. So this nice little insignia on here. Ladies Man. This is the scent profile. It's got their donkey on there. It's a nice velvet. Obviously, this is empty, but like I said before, I've been using this religiously. And then it comes with, this one is their beard balm. This beard balm is super, super good. I've been using this one a lot. It emulsifies very nice in your hands. This actually doesn't have too much of beeswax in it, according to what this feels like. So that's really nice, because I particularly like the butters. I don't really use the balms as much anymore. So super cool. And then obviously what this would look like would be full. The viscosity on this is definitely super nice. So this is filled up all the way. I got at least 4 times use after my shower putting this in my beard. And that says a lot, because most of the time they're super thin and I need like a full vial of this, usually what I put in my beard before I brush it out, and they put the blow dryer through it. So super cool. And then this packaging here, it's not the same like this one, where that one's more like a velvet. This one's more like a traditional bag. Still nice, still really nice. There's no insignia or anything on it. This one is their wax. Just focus that in there. It's their beard wax, or stash wax, sorry. I don't really use this that much because I don't have like a super long mustache, so I really don't have much use for this. The only time maybe I'd use this is if I'm going out somewhere. I'll throw it in my actual beard just to give it a little more stability and support throughout the night, so it's not all frizzy and bouncing around. Super, super good though. Smells really good. Now this is super unique right here. It's a guitar pick, and it's not a cheap guitar pick either. These are the more expensive ones. It's got some nice firmness to it. I used to play guitar, and I mean, even as a guitar player or a bass player, even that, this is actually a super good pick. Really nice color, nice embroidery. This is definitely unique. I definitely appreciate this. So this is what comes in a sample pack. And I'm talking, like I said before, you're only paying for shipping. So super, super cool. All right, let's bring it up on top. All right, so let's get down to it. Should you spend your money and buy product from this company, even if it's a couple of dollars for the sample pack? Abso-fucking-lutely. Like I said, I've used this, even though it's a sample pack, for the last 3 to 4 days with all the products total. It's great quality, and just with the publication and how the company holds themselves up, little things like this, putting your logo on the actual bags, sending all the cool little free stuff, that's a win for me. So I definitely highly recommend you to check out Badass Beard Care. I'm going to put the link below in the description where you can find them. They do have a YouTube channel as well. If you like content like this, I post every single week. Check out my other videos on tips and tricks along with other reviews. And if you would like to, please feel free to subscribe, comment on the pictures, drop a like on the video. I appreciate your time taken out of your weekend to watch this. And as always, stay beard strong. Check you later.